Hello guys, welcome to the new video, and today I will show you that how you can create AI images using the reference images using Midjourney. So to create AI images with the reference just like this one, what I did was I choose these two pictures as reference, and I like had Midjourney to create and generate pictures like these with the help of references. So to do this, what you have to do is you have to go to your server from where you have to like create the reference images, and what you have to do is you have to select images that you will be using for the reference. Let's say I'm just gonna use this image and this image. So what I want to do is I want to save this image. I want to save this image in downloads and this image in downloads as well. So once I have like saved this image in downloads, so this image cannot be saved because it is like from the web itself. So I will search some other redhead girl image. Let's say this. I'm just gonna save image as, and that in downloads. Okay, so these two images are saved. Now what I will be doing is I'm gonna go to my server again, and I have to double click this plus button, and I will add the images that I just downloaded one by one. And once you have added the images, you are gonna hit the enter button and the images will be uploading in the Discord itself. Okay, so I have added both of the images. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna click on slash and I'm gonna select imagine prompt. So guys, basically imagine prompt is like the main command in the Midjourney, because here is all the things that we do to create the AI images. So how can we use both of these images as reference? It's not hard guys, you have to just select the picture and then right click it and then click on copy image address. Now in prompt you have to paste that address and then hit space. Now go here and now select this image's address as well and then paste it. So now you have to enter space and then click on comma and then enter what else you want with your image. Let's say I want it 4K in high quality, and what we have to do is we have to insert hyphen space v space 4 and then just enter. Now just wait for it to start. So guys, you don't have to freak out here because it's only done 62% and these are not the actual results that we are looking for. The image generation go from 0 to 100%, so the final generated image will be on 100% only. Okay, so these are probably the greatest images that I have generated using Midjourney. But I like this one and this one. This one is pretty good, but I am not like seeing the girl that I entered. So I'm not just so I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna be using both of these. So this one is good, but I will be generating this. So I have to generate the first picture, so I'm just gonna click on U1. Now what U stands for is upscale and V stands for is variations. If I select U1, that means I will be upscaling the first, and U2 means second, U3 means third, U4 means fourth. Same's good with variation. V1 means this, V2 means this, V3 this, V4 this. I'm just gonna select upscale 1 and then it will be upscaling my picture, which is this, and then I can save it in my PC. So this is our final result, and just look at the picture. This is like so good. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna select this and right click on this and then click on save image as to save the image in our PC. So guys, that's it for the video. If you want variations, you can click here, or if you want to upscale more than one, you can select more than one options like here. That's it guys for the video. However, if you like the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel and comment down below. If you want me to work on more AI stuff like this, you just have to comment down below and I'll look into that. Thanks guys, bye bye.